Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can stop the notifications which are coming from the Zedge app in your phone. So, first of all, you should go ahead and locate the Zedge app, tap on it, go to its settings, and then tap on notifications. There you can tap on allow notifications if you want to allow or disallow it accordingly. So go to Zedge, go to its settings, tap on notifications, and you can even turn it into silent, or you can modify the notifications like allow batch, pop-up, lock screen, and etc. You can go ahead and go to the lock screen notifications and also change it. You can hide and show contents, and if you want to block it, just tap on this button and you will disallow the notifications. So go to Zedge, go to its settings, go to notifications, and if it is not allowed, allow it. And if you want to block the notifications, just go ahead and alter these settings. And if you want to totally block the notifications from Zedge, just turn off this button and you will not get any notifications from Zedge. So this is how you stop or disallow the notifications from Zedge. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.